Welcome back. Former Director of Mines Arvind Lolenkar has again approached the High Court seeking bail. Arvind Lolenkar claimed that his extended judicial custody by Special CBI Court was illegal as the Special CBI Court had no jurisdiction. Arvind Lolenkar is in custody since his arrest on 28 March 2014.
Former Director of Mines Arvind Lolenkar in his bail petition filed before the High Court has claimed that his judicial custody from 8 April 2014 till 17th May 2014 was an illegal detention, as custody during this period was extended by the Special CBI Court. Arvind Lolenkar has also contended that the Special CBI Court extended his custody without having locus standi. Arvind Lolenkar has approached the High Court seeking bail for the second time, as the charge sheet against him has been filed in the case related with export company Frost International. On Tuesday, Arvind Lolenkar's bail petition came up before Justice A.R. Joshi, but Justice Joshi referred this matter before the bench of Justice U.V. Bakre. While referring the petition, Justice Joshi observed that Justice U.V. Bakre has heard Arvind Lolenkar's bail plea earlier, hence he should hear this matter again as per law. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sopo collector in Margao is alleged of extorting and whooping sum of money from the vendors at the Holy Spirit Fair. The vendors allege that Sopo collector charged them huge fees without issuing any receipt. Chief Officer of Margao Y.B. Taude said strict action will be initiated against the erring officer.
कितना पैसा लिया? 500 और सबो वाले?
तो पहला 5000 एक बार लिया, फिर 3 दिन के बाद 100 रुपया ले रहा है.
Shop vendors cried foul that the sums charged are unjustified. Each stall owner has paid varied amount as fee, that too without any receipt.
सबो वाला तुमको पावती नहीं दिया?
सोपो वाला पावती नहीं देता.
टोटल कितना पैसा लिया हुआ आपसे अभी 7 दिन का?
7 दिन का मेरे 4000.
4000 ले, लेकिन रिसिप्ट नहीं दिया?
नहीं.
सोपा वाले हम लोगों के साथ जाते दिखी है.
सुबह वाले क्या किया?
6000 रुपए लिए सर.
सुबह वाले
6000 रुपए लिए हमसे.
और म्युनिसिपैलिटी 1000 रुपए.
म्युनिसिपैलिटी 1000.
Chief Officer of Margao Y.B. Taude said strict action will be initiated against the Sopo collector.
I have directed my market inspector, who is on job of that ferry area. This he should be stopped immediately, and he has to be eradicated from that area.
Fair was 8 days long in the city of Margao. The Sopo collector charged fees from the stall owners on daily basis and every 3 days. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
USA defeated Ghana by 2-1 on Monday night to begin their World Cup campaign with a hard-fought victory. This result places USA in a great position in Group G, with games to come against Germany and Portugal. Earlier, Germany got off to a flying start with a 4-0 thrashing of Portugal. Thomas Muller scored the first hat-trick of FIFA World Cup Brazil to announce Germany as one of the contenders for the title. In another match, Iran and Nigeria played out the first goalless draw of the tournament. In their bid to boost grassroots football at the school level, Sporting Club de Goa will provide all support to St. Xavier's Institute High School at Kurtorim. The Flaming Orange announced the tie-up on Tuesday.
Sporting Club de Goa General Secretary Edward Noronha and St. Xavier's headmistress Melania da Costa signed the Memorandum of Understanding on Tuesday morning. The tie-up with St. Xavier's Kurtori includes football development of under-14 and under-17 boys and girls teams. St. Xavier's had won the Sporting Club de Goa Under-12 Youth League involving 24 teams in 2012. This was an indication of ever-growing raw talent in this part of Goa. As part of the tie-up, Sporting Club de Goa will provide kit and equipments, hold football clinics, visits by star SCG players, monitoring of school matches and dietary advice. Savio Dias for Prudent.
And your favorite program, Hello Doctor, starts again. Live phone-in program Hello Doctor will be telecast every Wednesday from 6 to 7 p.m. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.